Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect an Anker docking station to a Dell laptop for dual displays, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring your Dell laptop is powered off. Locate the Anker docking station. Connect the docking station to a power source using the included power adapter. Take the USB-C or USB-A cable that came with the docking station. Connect one end of the cable to the docking station's corresponding port. Next, connect the other end of the cable to your Dell laptop's USB-C or USB-A port. Power on the docking station if there is a power button. Turn on your Dell laptop. Once your laptop has booted up, wait for the operating system to recognize the docking station. Now, check the connections for your dual displays. Connect the first monitor to the docking station using an appropriate cable, such as HDMI or DisplayPort. If you have a second monitor, connect it to the docking station as well. Ensure both monitors are powered on. On your Dell laptop, open the display settings by right-clicking on the desktop. Select Display Settings from the menu. In the Display Settings window, you should see both monitors listed. If you don't see both monitors, click on the Detect button. Once both monitors are recognized, choose how you want to use them. You can extend your display, duplicate, or use one as your main display. Adjust the resolution settings if needed for each monitor. Click Apply to save your settings. Confirm that both monitors are displaying as desired. If any issues arise, check all cable connections. You can also restart your laptop to help with recognition issues. Your dual display setup should now be fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.